In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Evernote. We'll walk through the basics of getting text onto the page so you can quickly capture ideas, notes, or to-dos without feeling overwhelmed. Even if you're brand new to Evernote, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to start typing. First, make sure you're signed into your Evernote account and you're on the main screen, either in your browser or the desktop app. On the left side, you'll see your navigation area, and somewhere near the top, you should see an option to create a new note. Look for a button or icon labeled New Note, or simply Note. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on Note, Evernote will create a new blank note for you. This is like opening a fresh page in a notebook. It usually appears in the main area of the screen, with space for a title at the top and a larger blank area below for the body of your text. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've actually selected the note from your list on the side. Next, click on the empty page area of the note. This means you'll either click in the title field, where you can name your note, or in the larger blank space below, where the main content goes. You should see a blinking cursor appear, which tells you Evernote is ready for you to start entering text. Now simply start typing. You can type anything you want: a meeting summary, a shopping list, a brainstorm, or a reminder for later. Evernote saves your work automatically as you type, so you don't need to worry about hitting a save button. Just focus on getting your thoughts down. As you type, you can use your keyboard's Enter key to add new lines and separate different ideas. You can also move your cursor with your mouse or trackpad to edit any part of the note. The key idea here is that writing in Evernote works very much like a basic word processor. You click to place the cursor and then you type. That's all you need to do to start writing on Evernote. Click on Note, click on the empty page and start typing. Once you're comfortable with this, you can explore formatting and other features, but this simple flow will get you capturing your notes right away.